Howdy, Michael, the Mercedes guy. This is a 116 car, but many models are the same process if they have the genuine Bosch original arms. The original Bosch arms have a hook on the end. So you just do that. This is an original Bosch arm. I'm being real careful here, not laying anything on paint, and very carefully. Okay, the replacement Bosch can only go on one way, where the hook is on the rounded part of this plastic. So insert it like so, and then over that rounded part, thusly, and it snaps on. And the other one's the same process. And we'll do another video on how to replace just the rubber in an original arm, because sometimes you cannot get original, not in the arm, but in the blade holder. Lots of times you can't get original chrome blade holders, so to keep the originality, you want to not use a black one, but replace the rubber in the chrome blade holder. That'll be another video. Alrighty.